When 7 raised to 84 is divided by 342, then the remainder is. Now, in such kind of questions, you have to first check if any power of 7 is within plus or minus 1 of the given divisor, that is 342 in this case. Now, you will realize that 7 raised to 3 is equal to 343. So, if you divide 343 by 342, you get the remainder of 1. Now, 343 raised to any power, the remainder will also get raised to the same power, that is n, and hence the answer will be 1 itself. Now, 7 raised to 84, we can write this down as 7 raised to 3 whole raised to 28. That is 343 raised to 28. So 343 raised to 28 divided by 342. As seen above, the remainder will also get raised to the same power. So remainder will now be 1 raised to 28. So that will be 1. So answer will be option B.